Mhm. Hi guys, good morning. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we saw characteristic value variable, value variable, and manual input default value. This one clear, right? This option. Now we will create text variable. We already created formula variable as well. Okay, we'll discuss text variable, replacement path. Hierarchy node variable. So here, so characteristic value variable, you can create manual input default value processing type or else characteristic value variable with a replacement path and characteristic value variable with uh, SAP customer exit. So based upon requirement, we will use the processing type. Not all the time same. Okay. So based upon our requirement, we will select the process setting type. So always I will not create characteristic value variable with manual input. Sometimes I will use characteristic value variable with customer exit also. Sometimes I will create a text variable with the manual input also. Sometimes I will create text variable with the replacement path. Okay, sometimes I will create formula variable with the replacement path. Sometimes I will create a replacement path with formula variable with manual input. So that different way we can create it. Okay. So we created formula variable, right, yesterday. Did you remember in the condition level what kind of variable we created? In the conditions, we have created one variable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What type of variable that one? Formula variable only.
Wha-
Formula variable,
yeah,
formula variable with manual input default value only. Correct na? So we already covered this
yes,
one.
ma'am.
In the conditions, we have created formula variable. We have created variable with the formula. We have created formula variable with the manual input default value only. Okay, based upon the situation, you will create. Okay, which processing type we have to take it. Okay, let's say I will create text variable, Guru. So my requirement is, my requirement is, whenever I execute the report, 2025, right? It will ask the calendar month. Like I will enter 2009, but it has to display the value 2025 08. Okay, 2025 07. So this is trending analysis report. Okay, I'm entering 1 month, so that current month and the previous 2 months it has to display. So if I will enter dynamically 6, okay, then it has to come 05 and 2025 04. It has to come dynamically. I will not give. So in this situation, I will use two variables and two formula variables. In this situation, okay, I will create two formula variables and two processing types. Like one is characteristic value variable I will use, another one text variable I will create. And then one is a process name default value, manual input default value I will use, and also a replacement path I will use. How we will see that? Okay, how to create that report, running analysis report, we'll see now. Okay, first to open the report. Okay, now see generally before putting all variables, you can see the variable after executing the query, you will come to know. Okay. So basically, somebody did some changes. That is the way it is coming. Now you can see this is the looks like our report. Whatever I drag and drop into the rows or columns, this will display initially. If you want to drill down, you can drill down over there here. So I want to drill down based on the year wise. Yes, you can drill down. See, I can see. If you want to drill down based on the plant, yes, you can drill down. If you want to drill down based on sales, or you can drill down. Yeah, this is only okay. If you click on this, you can see overall result as well. For the calendar month, you can see overall result. Total 25 lines are there. Okay. If you drill down this one, okay. So overall, it will come like this. Okay. And now go back. I just wanted to, so I'm executing. Okay, generally. So due to system, there is a issue. That is the reason it is coming SAP exit. I need to remove where they are using this one. Okay, generally it will be blank. There is no variable input for the BEX query. Okay, so straightly it is coming. Okay, now I want to put the one variable that should ask calendar month. Please enter calendar month. So whatever we created yesterday, that I will use. Please enter calendar month. So you know, right, how to create calendar month. If you don't know, then I will create. Okay. And where is the calendar month? Yes, here is there. Yesterday only we create. Right click, go to restrict, go to variables. Hmm. This one yesterday we created a Jetware char. What is the data type processing? You can see here manual input default value. Okay. And also characteristic value. Characteristic value variable manual to default value mandatory without initial single value. This I created yesterday. Okay. Now expand this info object. I can able to see variable. Now save it. So this is the reusable variables, okay? These are reusable variables. One time only we'll create and we will reuse them in other queries based upon your requirement. Every time we will not create variables. Only one time we'll create and we will reuse them. Okay. So it is asking, right? Please enter month. Which month you want? Okay, now I executed month. See here, I can see calendar year month like that it is coming. Okay, you can see calendar year month like this come. Okay, now I can see clearly report. Now, my requirement is, I will tell you, right click, I'll create new selection. Okay, I'm drag and drop this one. Okay, amount I drag and drop. Now I want to drag and drop calendar month as well. So I'm drag and drop calendar month. Here I will restrict with variable. So whatever I created, I'm using it. Now it is showing. Okay. Click OK. Now it is came. Selection one come. Okay. I'm saving it. So let's say how it will be. We'll see. Okay. Now same like this is RKF. Okay. RKF and new selection. Both are same. But new selection is local. RKF is global. Now I'm entering January only. So now you can see this value. Now I will not enter any value as well. Okay. So now you can see it is showing amount only. So I don't want to see this amount. Okay. I want to see current month value. How we will give it? So whatever we create a new selection, this one, first one, this is only selection we can see here clearly. So that I want to give description. Current month. Okay, now I will save. Just observe it, what is going on here. Here, just refresh. Now I'm giving, trying to give April. Check. Okay, now you can see it. Okay. And also if you want to change the variable, you can change also. If you want to change the variable, you can change also. Okay. If I don't want this one, then I will remove also. I'll remove. I'll remove. Because I'm using in the this current month level. I don't want that. Okay, we'll see. Now you can execute back and execute it. I executed. Now we can see current month. Clearly, I can able to see my report with current month. Okay, current month. Again, I will create one more. Okay, right click. You can create new selection. Okay, here I will drag and drop amount. Okay, and now where is the calendar month? This one. Okay, now okay. Now I will save it. Now you can refresh this report. What will happen? Execute. See here, I can able to see only January month. Okay, now you can see current month. Current month here, but here amount is coming. I don't want to see like this. I don't want to see like this. Okay, I will keep like no previous month. This one, I need to change the previous month. Okay, I just change the description. This T code is RSRT, bro. This T code is, I'm executing RSRT T code in the BW. Don't confuse. And execute. Now you can see overall result. Okay. So, but the current month and previous month are coming same January only. We are giving the value input January, and it is displaying also January for current month and previous month also. Okay. And I will create one more new selection. First drag and drop key figure. What is RKF meaning? We are restricting the key figure based on the characteristic value. So this is restricted with key figure and based on the characteristic value. This is not a characteristic value, we are restricted with variable. Okay. Now, okay. Now it is came selection one. So I will change this as well. So now I will change with the previous month. Prior, previous month. Previous month. Now I want to keep it in sequence. Okay, I want to add a in proper way. However you want, you can add it. Save it. Now you can see this is the value. So, but this is wrong, right? Current month, okay, what is the current month for January 28? But February, this one is previous month, which means last year December, right? It has to show December 2024. This one it has to show December. So let me go another way and I will give April. Okay, I will give April. So when I give April, it has to display April, March. Okay, it has to display April and March. Previous month means March. March value has to display here. 36,000. And this February value has to display here, previous month. This is wrong actually. Okay, so also the requirement is I don't want to see current month and previous month, previous month. So sometimes I will I will not know what is the current month also. Okay, it has to change dynamically. It has to change dynamically and month as well. It has to display dynamically month as well. If you are entering here, April, right? Current month. So current month, April has to display here, April 2025. Here, March 2025. And here, February 2025, it has to display. Okay, what we are doing here? Dynamically, we have to change the text for new selection. These three are new selections. Whatever we created new, these three are new selections, right? You can see this one, new selection only, right? This one, selections. When I click and right click, okay, I create a new selection, sir. We have to change the description. We have to change the text. We have to change the text for new selections dynamically. Okay, then we will create the text variable. First, we will correct this value. First, we will correct this value. Later, we'll go with. Okay, what it has to display here? 36,000 has to display. And here, 32 has to display. Okay, then how we will correct it? Click here, double click here. This is very important. Right click. What is this? This is current month, right? For current month, I will use right click. Okay. Right click, go to restriction, and here right click variable. There is a option, change offset value. Okay, I'm using 0. I'm using 0 for current month. Okay. For next month, double click here. And here, calendar month is there, right? Right click calendar month, go to restrict and right click, change offset value. They will ask in the interview as well. Okay. Remember this thing. Okay. You do the practice and show me. They will ask in the interview. Okay. Edit. Okay. Right click, restrict, right click, change offset value -2. Okay. Okay. I'm saving it. Now we'll see the issue is fixed or not. Okay. Still that is came or not. By default it is coming. Why it is coming by default? We'll see. Okay. Now you can see for June how much value is there? 48. Yes, correct. And May, how much value it is coming? May. 44, correct. For April, how much value is coming? 40,000. Correct, na? Exactly it is coming. But my requirement is this current month also it has to display current month. I mean 2025 04, 2020 06, 2024 5, 2025 4. It has to display. Okay, dynamically. Whatever you are entering here, based on this, it has to change. Clear? So we'll see how we will clear it. And okay, for this we need to create the variable. Okay, for this we need to create the variable. As of now, I created only characteristic value variable with the manual input default value. I have to create text variable as well. So how we will create the text variable? There is a option. I selected this one amount and I'm going to here. Okay. So already somebody created. Okay. That we'll see. Calendar month. Right click creating variable. Okay. So here I'm going to select text variable. Okay. Here zvar underscore zvar underscore text underscore cal month I'm giving. Okay. Remember this, bro. I'm giving this one. Please and no, this I will not give anything. Text variable for replacement path. Replacement path. Okay. So this is only description as per yours. Remember this name, Jedware text calendar month. So this is text variable. I selected text variable and processing by replacement path. I'm selecting replacement path. What is the reference characteristic for this? Okay. If you want, you can use it or else. Okay. What is this? Zero cal month only, right? Zero cal month. Okay. Reference came. Okay. Now variable reference is single value only. Okay. We are not giving any input for this. Okay, click on name. And now it is showing info object as. Okay. I'm not changing anything. Go to finish. Okay, now here text variable replacement path. This is not ready for input. It is disable only. I cannot select this as well. Okay, it is disable only. Okay, save it. Already it is saved it. Okay. Now I will go inside. I will go inside. And now here. Okay, sorry, not here. I'm selecting here. We created, right? So here I'm selecting. So this is the add text variable. I need to add text variable. Where is the text variable here? Let me search our variable text. Jedware underscore text underscore. This one only, right? We just created this one only, right? Okay. I selected this one. Okay. Now I save it. So one by one I'm showing you slowly options. Go back and execute it. What is it asking? Now it is asking, okay, I will give August this time. Okay, execute it. So is it coming August? Okay, it is coming clearly, okay. So there is no issue with this one. And now I can see current month is 2025 8 only. August is 8 only, right? But still there is a issue. Okay, that how we will rectify. So this I will remove this current month. Okay, now refresh it. The text variable always create with start with ampersand and also ending with ampersand as well. Text variable. Remember this. Always somebody use the text variable. The text variable start with ampersand and also close with ampersand. Okay, remember this point. Go back, and I am executing. Okay, I will select September. Execute. Now I can see September value this one. I can see September only. I'm changing it. Okay, whatever I give manual input, that is coming. So September value this one only, right? 60,000. How about August? Yeah, 56 is there? Yes, 56. And this July, 52 is there? 52. Correctly, it is populating. And this is also dynamically changing. And I want to change previous month and previous month as well. This is how we'll do the changes. So I will not create every time variable. I will use, okay, I will use same variable only for all. This is reusable. Okay, I am using same variable here also. Okay, I am using it. And here also I will use same thing. This is very important. Okay. Even who is working real time also, they will forget it. They will not, they are unable to create it. They have to recollect everything and create it. Okay. So you also 4 years guy or 5 years guy and you having very good experience on SAP BW, but you are practicing, right? So you are better than them. Real tech I am working on only one topic and you are working on all topic. So now you can see 10th month, 9th month, 8th month, dynamically it is displaying. Okay, now easily I can understand, right? Oh, this is 10th month, this is 9th month, this is 8th month. I don't want to see all this. In the real time, we having millions of data. I don't want to see all this. I will see only this column, this column. Clear, right?
Yes, now.
Okay, clear. Now you can see this is the way, this is like trending analysis report. If I give January, what will happen? There is no values. There is no values for December. If we have values, then it will come. I don't have values, it will be blank only. But calendar months should display 2012 and 2024 11 text variable.